Julish? Hello everyone! Today we'll have a fun science experiment. Have you ever touched dry ice before? What's dry ice? Dry ice is the solid form of carbon dioxide. Its molecule consisting of a single carbon atom bonded to two oxygen atoms. Dry ice is colorless, odorless, and non-flammable. It's called dry ice because it's frozen and never melts into a liquid. It will turn into carbon dioxide gas directly. Then when do we use dry ice? It is useful for freezing and keeping things frozen because of its very cold temperature. Then, let's move to science table. I already put some colors inside of each cylinder, black, red, and yellow. And then can you put a few drops of liquid soap in each cylinder, please? In a black color, and red color, and yellow color. Oh no, that's it. That's enough. Okay, thank you. And then we'll pour some warm water in the cylinder. Then we'll drop a chunk of dry ice into each cylinder. Dry ice, dry ice. Watch out. It's hard to pick. Okay, in the black one, and in the red one, and yellow one. Let's see what's coming. Oh my god, it's coming out already. Yes. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. Yeah. What's the tower of soap oozing out from the cylinders? Wow. It looks cool. Wow. Awesome. Good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, we need some space. Okay, okay. Ooh, holy crap. It looks like a volcano, huh? Yeah. Oh my gosh. And it looks like a snake too, huh? There are some scales. Bubble scales. Oh my gosh. It's coming out. Coming out, coming out again. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, how was the experiment? It's time to write a lab report now. Yeah, I know you love writing. Oh, come on, yeah. Okay, write down materials that you use in the experiment and hypothesis on the report as well. Then, you guys will write down procedure and result. I will give it 10 minutes to complete the report. And then, if we don't finish it, you have to finish the rest of the things at your home. Alright? Okay. Concentrate, guys. Concentrate. Okay, the class is already over. Please submit your lab reports now. And then I will see you guys next week. Bye-bye. Julish?